First open Start and click on Setting. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshoot. In playing audio, press Run. Wait for your audio to be repaired. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver. If that didn't work, click on Search for Windows Update. If that didn't work, select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device. Press Next. Now close the windows and restart. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Select your audio device. Set as default. Press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, right-click it and select Properties. Go to Enhancement tab. Select Disable All Enhancement. Press Apply and then OK. If that didn't work, right-click it and select Properties. Open Advanced tab. Now change the bitrate to CD or DVD quality or change it until you start hearing sound. Press Apply and then OK. Now your problem should be fixed.